This literature kit on Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare is made up of before and after reading questions and activities that are designed to help guide student comprehension as they read the novel. 55 pages chock full of before you read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Identify the central problem of this play. Defend or refute statements about the play by using evidence from the text. Find an example of hyperbole in Romeo's soliloquy. Identify the use of alliteration within Romeo and Mercutio's conversation. Answer true or false questions concerning the Capulets' plans to have Juliet marry Paris. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as comparing the feud between the Capulets and Montagues with another famous feud from history. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Keep track of the order in which main events of the story take place with a sequence chart graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.